Let's go, everyone. Today, I'm super excited to unbox and open and try, for the first time, Celsius Live Fit Peach Mango Green Tea flavored, non-carbonated, essential energy. And this is a dietary supplement, energy drink. A lot of people are drinking this, so I've honestly had these a few times, but never on camera for you guys. So wanted to show you all what it's like. I do like these drinks. Here's the supplement facts. 10 calories, which is great. And, you see a lot of the vitamins in the daily value percentages. And this is what the can looks like. A lot of people swear by this drink. I think it's really good. I'll drop a link in the description on where I got this from if you guys want to try this. And here we go. Let's get it. All right. Wow. Look at that. Look at the color. Looks good. Looks good. Let me try it. That's refreshing. Yeah. Peach mango and green tea. Very refreshing. Highly recommended. Let me know what you guys think of this drink in the comment section below, and I will see you all next time for the next random unboxing video. Later.